Hello brother and sister, today I will going to give a review for a portable fan which is equipped with a battery inside, so it means you can turn it on when the light is off or no electricity. And here is in front of us the box of the items. It said it comes from Xiaomi brand, but in the body I cannot find any Xiaomi brand marking, only EDON marking on its body. And the type number is E908b. And here is the fan, the box I mean. It can rotate and you can set the timer on and off, and the speed also you can set it up. Here is the power it needs, 12 watt. Actually this fan regularly I turn it on for several days, 3 days or 4 days non-stop, and it's still going great. And now I will bring it out from the box, and when you do a purchase on this fan, the company will not going to give you any cable or adapter for the cable, and only this inside thin manual booklet. There is the item. It said the battery specification is 8000 milliamp, and the charging time it need 6 to 8 hours. And of course from China. Here is the website. Okay, now I will give a closer look on the fan. Here is the unit itself and the remote. And the remote itself, it is magnetic, so it means this remote you can stick this to the any metal surface, and this remote will keep sticking on the surface. Okay, here's the battery CR2032. CR2032. Okay. Well, I will put back. Okay. Now we are put it aside. And this is how it looks. It's magnetic. Okay. Now I will put it aside and straighten the fan. You can use the telescopic neck to pull it height, and I will measure it, how long the neck would be. From upper of the neck to the bottom, in here it would be 95 centimeter. 95 centimeter. Now the diameter of the outer of the fan it would be 25 centimeter. And the base plate would be also 25 centimeter. And for folding the fan to this bottom, you just need to lift up this side, then fully push to the bottom. Very easy and simple. And now I will give it information for you how to open up the grill or closure of the fan. You just need to bring your hand here, your finger at the back, then turn it right or left to open it up and close. Okay, it's very simple. Before you open up the front grill, you need to unbolt the screw at here to give it a free unlock the grill. Okay, so after you unscrew this side, you are good for open up the grill. Okay, and here is the specification. And the charging port at here bottom using USB-C. Okay, before you buying this kind of folding fan, I need to tell you that in the market there's a lot of similar item, but it's not come from Xiaomi EDON. And from what my research, the quality is not so good, and they are not brushless. So you need to careful when you searching for a folding fan which is equipped with a battery, of course, the similar spec. And now I will turn on the fan. This is to turn off. And this is the closer look. Speed. And this is how the fan noise I record, and the distance from the microphone I use is about 50 centimeters. Okay, maybe you can hear it more clearly if you turn your volume higher. For what I experienced in my bedroom, the noise is slightly can be heard, but not very disturbing, and still can go to put asleep with this fan power on. And this is if we give it a higher speed. This is the second level. This is the third level. And this is the fourth level. And the last, fifth level. Okay, back to level 1. And there is my review for a portable rechargeable fan from Xiaomi EDON. And thank you for watching this video.